Hello guys, this video I am talking about Realme GT Master Edition. Let's see the look first and some specification. Realme GT Master Edition got Super Amoled display, 6.43-inch display size. Realme GT Master Edition got plastic frame and plastic back. Realme GT Master Edition single speaker and 3.5mm audio jack. Realme GT Master Edition got triple rear camera. The camera is 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Realme GT Master Edition got 32 megapixel front camera. Realme GT Master Edition got 4300 mAh battery, 65 watt fast charging and USB Type-C. Now see the some image quality of Realme GT Master Edition. Now see the rare video quality of Realme GT Master Edition. Now see the slow motion of Realme GT Master Edition. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.